Rockets in Kansas. Dorothy had to ride a tornado to escape into the skies. Here in Hutchinson, next to the community college, is the Cosmosphere Science Museum, easily a rival to any aviation science museum in the country or the world. Massive boosters that launched Mercury and Gemini capsules into space guard the entrance. Inside the doors, you're hit by the sleek lines of the once top-secret SR-71 Blackbird. Its matte black skin designed to absorb the light and shape to reach Mach 3 at the edge of the atmosphere. The Cosmosphere isn't just a quiet hall of artifacts. The museum feels alive. It's a working backdrop for science storytellers, full of motion and curiosity. A ticket office under the wings of a looming space shuttle. We start with the X-plane program, the race to break the sound barrier. The X-1, when flight punched through the wall of air at Mach 1. To the X-15, which reached to the edge of space. The World War II gallery pulls you back to the darker origins of rocketry. The V-2, whose engine design became the blueprint for nearly every rocket that followed. The V-1 pulse jet, the buzz bomb, with its crude simplicity and terrifying purpose. The Cold War space race from the first into space to Glasnost. Here's the heart of the museum. Capsules small enough to feel claustrophobic, yet strong enough to survive re-entry. The kind of analog engineering that carried Mercury, Gemini, and Apollo crews through fire and vacuum. In a prime spot 2 stories tall, a Rover and Lunar module mock-up, the fragile machine that carried humans to the surface of another world. The Apollo 13 command module trainer is here, which astronauts used to rehearse the procedures that saved a crippled spacecraft. And tucked into its own corner is the Goddard Education exhibit, honoring the quiet professor who launched America's first liquid fuel rocket, the foundation of everything that followed. Space exploration. Surveyor and Voyager. Activities for young people and learning experiences for all ages. A journey of discovery well worth a trip to the heart of Kansas.